We've had the opportunity to use some really incredible new technology.
So I can look inside my fridge here.
It's so important for us as occupational therapists to be in tune with how the technology is changing and what we can offer our patients.
I think first and foremost for me and for the students, it's really fun. It's engaging. It's a way to learn about different interventions with stuff that they're more familiar with new and current technology.
Some of the technology that we include in our labs here, we have the vector system, which you can do a multitude of things like cognitively, range of motion. You can even work with like figuring out how you want to move around the space and utilize what we have in the smart apartment. In here we have the high friction floors and high contrast. So the green is warm and the blue is cold.
Adapting it to each person's circumstances, each person's life, like how will this transfer over to their daily life, knowing that the benefits this technology can provide to people's body, minds, and spirits.
The students here really are using things with cutting edge technology and things that we wouldn't have had access to before.
And it's really fun to see how creative OT can be.
So you're going to do